The Bible is the Holy Scriptures of God, a message from God for the human race. Because of sin, God cannot be with us in person. If we were in His presence and looked at His face, we will die. He gave the Bible to the people so that they could get to know Him without sin. How many names of the Bible? Okay, number 1, the Holy Bible. Number 2, the Word of God. Number 3, the Holy Scriptures. Number 4, the Book of Books. Number 5, the Oracles of God. Okay, let me tell you something more. The Bible is God's holy book. The Bible is a written picture of God. The Bible is absolute truth about God. The Bible is the story of the rescue of the human beings. The Bible is the only book with authority above all other books. God's instruction to be obeyed by all people. The Bible is not a science textbook. The Bible is not a guide to politics. The Bible is not a joke book. The Bible is not an ordinary book. The Bible is not a book you can ignore. The Bible is the best-selling book of all time. Billions of copies has been sold or given away free. Old Testament, New Testament equals to the Bible. What is the Testament? Testament means an agreement or a contract between two people or groups. Old Testament and New Testament are agreement between God and people that He can and will save them from eternal death if they will accept Him as their God. Do you know the Bible is a library of 66 books? The Bible books were written over a period of about 1,500 years, from roughly 1,450 BC to 90 AD. The first author was Moses, and the last author was Jesus' disciple John. About 14 different authors wrote the books of the Bible. Do you know how it was written? Do you know God did not write the Bible Himself? God's prophets and followers wrote the books of the Bible. What the Bible explained to us. The problem means sin. The enemy means Satan. Our rescuer means Jesus. Our messed up home means earth. Our future perfect home means heaven. Is the Bible God's truth? King David said in Psalms 190:160, all your words are true. All your righteousness laws are eternal. Matthew chapter 12 verse 38 to 40. He told the Pharisees to remember Jonah in the big fish. Matthew chapter 24 verse 37 to 39. He spoke about Noah and the flood as a history fact. Jesus Himself was written about by many people who saw Him in person. His life, death and resurrections are historical facts. What the Bible is for. 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 15 to 16. All scriptures are inspired by God and is profitable for teaching, for rebuking, correcting, for training in righteousness, so that the man of God may be complete, equipped for every good work.